So in this video we're going to look at an exam question involving both area of a compound shape and area of sectors. So a compound shape is a shape that's sort of made up out of two or more simpler shapes. So in this question we're asked to find the area of the shaded segment PRS, and we can see that this PRS is the shaded segment is the whole shape, which is a sector, minus the white triangle. So area of segment equals area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, hopefully you can see that. And that's just a standard method with compound shapes. We take simpler shapes to find a more complicated area. So the area of a sector, so hopefully you know the formula for area of a sector is, well, it's the angle. So the angle in this case is 40 degrees. So let's say, so the general formula is theta, the angle at the middle, divided by 360 times pi r squared. That's the formula for area of a sector. So you take the angle, you divide it by 360, which is the total degrees in a circle, and multiply it by the area of a circle, which is pi r squared. So what you're doing is you're saying that this sector is 40 3/60ths of a circle, so its area is 40 3/60ths of pi r squared. Pi times r as the radius is 8 squared in this case. And if you do some translation, 40 over 360 is 1 over 9, 8 squared is 64, so this is the same as 64 over 9 times pi, which is exact, or if you want to put that in decimals, it's 22.340 centimeters squared. So that's the area of the sector. Now the area of a triangle, now there's a couple of formulae we can use for this. The one you learnt when you were youngest would be half the base times the height. In this case, we don't have the perpendicular height, unfortunately. So we could use that formula, but we'd have to first work out the perpendicular height using trigonometry. But since we don't have that already, what we can indeed use is the formula half AB sine C, where A and B are two sides lengths and C is the angle between them. So in this case, we've got the two side lengths are 8 and 8. So it's half times 8 times 8, and the angle between them is 40 degrees. So it's half times 8 times 8 times sine 40. Okay, again, we plug this into our calculator. 8 times 8 is 64. Half that is 32. So this is 32 times sine 40. That's exact. Or if you actually work that out as a number, you get 20.57 again centimeters squared is the area of the triangle. So area of segment is, remember what we said, it's the area of the sector. That's 22.34. Take away the area of the triangle, which is 20.57, and this turns out to be 1.77 centimeters squared, and that's the three significant figures, which is what the question asked for.